that, D?
Teka lang.
Where did you learn that? That was so funny, Kara. You're so Where did you learn that? Did you see that, D?
Yes,
What are you doing?
She's tired.
So she's posing.
One more.
Flower.
I wonder how long we can do this.
Wow.
Who thought you had a bow? Who thought you had a bow?
Uh-oh.
Oh.